What if you could sell your AI expertise like software? Not just use AI tools, but package your own voice AI agents and sell them as ready-to-go solutions inside HighLevel. Well, now you can. HighLevel has just unlocked one of the most powerful monetization features for agencies and marketers. You can now share and sell your custom voice AI agent directly from your account without needing extra tools, plugins, or platforms. Let me break this opportunity down for you. Voice AI is transforming how businesses handle customer communication. Whether it's answering calls, qualifying leads, or booking appointments around the clock, Voice AI does it all. But here's where it gets even more exciting. If you've built a voice AI agent that works for a specific niche, like real estate, med spas, gyms, or dental clinics, you can now package that entire system as a snapshot and sell it to other businesses or agency owners. You're not just offering a service, you're offering a plug-and-play business asset. Here's how it works. Inside your HighLevel account agency view, head over to Account Snapshots and click Create New Snapshot. You'll choose the sub-account that holds your voice AI agent. Then select everything you want to include: your AI agent, the workflows, the opportunity pipelines, knowledge bases, and any automations you've built around it. Give it a name, something niche specific, like Voice AI for HVAC, or Voice AI for property managers. Click Proceed, and just like that, you've created a digital asset you can resell again and again. Now, let's talk about how you make money with it. You've got three options. Firstly, you can sell it through your website or sales funnel with a payment gateway. Secondly, you can share the snapshot through a HighLevel link after purchase. Lastly, you can list it in the HighLevel app marketplace so users can find and buy it directly. You can protect your assets using HighLevel's built-in security so no one can duplicate or reverse engineer your work. This is a total game changer, especially for agency owners who want to scale their business without adding more manual work. Because here's the truth. You don't need to build a new service every time you land a new client. With Voice AI snapshots, you can package what already works and deliver repeatable results faster, and at a higher margin. And if you're already offering HighLevel to clients, this is a perfect way to provide them with more value. You're not just offering access to a CRM, you're offering pre-built AI automation that closes deals and books appointments 24/7. And here's the cherry on top. Right now, as part of HighLevel's Summer of AI campaign, you can get 30 days free access to the entire AI employee suite, including Voice AI, Conversation AI, Workflow AI, Content AI, and more. This isn't just a free trial, it's a full unlock. You get to test, build, deploy, and sell these powerful automations with zero cost up front. So if you want to monetize your voice AI knowledge, sell plug-and-play AI systems to local businesses, or create a recurring income stream selling your own snapshots, this is the time to do it. Click the link in the description to HighLevel AI Employee. If you are watching this video during the special offer period, you can activate your 30-day free trial and get full access to HighLevel's Voice AI, plus every AI automation in the suite. You've got the tools. You've got the know-how. Now it's time to turn your AI systems into products that sell themselves. Let's go make it happen. I will also leave a link to the HighLevel 5-Day AI Employee Challenge. This training will equip you with everything you need to sell HighLevel AI Employee to local businesses. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.